Preparing the base. Begin by carefully removing the PVC protective cover from the letter. Use the small screwdriver provided in your kit to unscrew and detach all the screws. Once the cover is removed, you will have a clear surface to start working on. Insert a glue stick into the hot glue gun. Plug the glue gun into a power source and allow it to heat up for about 1 minute. After it is ready, apply the hot glue directly to the surface where you plan to attach materials. Please note, hot glue dries and hardens very quickly, so you need to work efficiently. Start by applying glue to small areas of the surface and placing moss in your preferred spots. This will create a natural base layer. Next, when adding flowers or decorative objects, apply glue to the parts of each item that will come into contact with the surface. Arrange them freely in any style you like, whether symmetrical, minimal, or full and vibrant. Once finished, peel off the protective film from the PVC cover, reattach it with the provided screwdriver and screws, and display your completed piece in your space. Thank you for choosing Loom Petals. We hope you love the piece you created and that it brings beauty and joy to your space for many years to come. Wishing you many happy moments with it.